Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we have got the first confirmed spoiler for the November BoxyCharm Premium Box. This is the BoxyCharm 2.0. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my Ipsy November bag reveals. Congratulations, Alexandra Hill. Alexandra says, yay, finally first. I loved your videos, girl, and I'm glad that I can be first today. Well, I'm glad you are too, Alexandra. I really am, and I really appreciate you having your bell on, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and dive in. Now I found this at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram and also on Joe's Instagram, which is at YFL Martin. So he shows the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Cheek Palette. This is valued at $55. It is confirmed to be the first item in the BoxyCharm Premium Box in November. If they reveal anything else, I will keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in a loop, and as always, BoxyCharm is linked below. Now let's read that pick comment from my last video. Congratulations, Stephanie Sara, I think that's how you say that. Stephanie, don't you come after me. You know I can't pronounce nothing. Anyway, Stephanie says, hey girl. Well, hey Stephanie. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Remember guys, you gotta leave a comment if you want a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my comments, my likes. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that and make sure you are, and if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then you got to rate the video, y'all. But you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.